Do you know people are getting millions of views just by creating animated short videos like this? Today I'll show you how to do the same using just 2 steps. Step 1. Generate stunning images with AI. Step 2. Turn those images into videos. Let's get started and make your content go viral. First, I opened Chat GPT, one of the best AI platforms for generating both text and images with incredible accuracy. It's widely used for its flexibility, reliability, and ability to follow detailed instructions. I uploaded an image and wrote, "Use the exact same characters from this image with identical poses and outfits. However, replace the current food with a variety of visually engaging items such as jelly, burgers, toy food, or other colorful treats. Your task is to generate images based on these variations and craft engaging video prompts using the generated visuals. The focus should be on creative diversity in food themes while maintaining character accuracy. I'll include this secret prompt in the video description. You can copy and use it." After sending the prompt, ChatGPT generated the image exactly as I wanted, only changing the food while keeping everything else intact. I downloaded the new image easily, and since ChatGPT allows a few image generations daily, you can make 3 YouTube videos per day without spending a single dollar. At this stage, I'll search PixVerse AI on Google and click the first link. Why PixVerse? Because it gives you free credits just for signing up and even more every day you log in, making it ideal for beginners. Now let's begin. I'll first set the aspect ratio to 9:16, then upload the image we generated using ChatGPT. Now comes the most important step, the prompt. I'll write, 2 young children eating colorful, glittery popsicles from a bowl filled with glowing candy balls. The boy happily bites into a green popsicle, while the girl curiously tastes a blue one. Their expressions show joy and surprise as they enjoy the sweet treats. I'll also leave the prompt in the description. PixVerse gives you several useful customization tools. You can adjust the resolution, I'll keep it 360p to stay free, set the video duration, and even enable auto voice or background sound. You can also choose from different animation styles that match your concept best. Once everything is ready, I'll hit generate. It may take a minute. After processing, the final video is complete, and it looks stunning. Clean animation, smooth motion, and accurate visuals. You'll also get enhancement tools if you want to upscale or fine-tune further. I'll skip that for now and just click download. All set. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on more great content.